Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about that strange clicking noise when you round a corner with your front-wheel drive vehicle. What's that noise coming from? Typically it's coming from a CV axle when you actually hear that noise. Often it can also sound like a roller coaster. When you take the roller coaster up to the top, the clicking noise you get, that is usually a worn out joint. But the reason we're talking about CV axles today is there's a lot more to them than often people think. We do have a complete CV axle here, which you'll have two of these on the front of a front-wheel drive vehicle, along with the boots that actually protect the joint. Now when these boots do fail, the grease inside the joint tends to leak out and often will be thrown all over the place. If you continue to operate the vehicle that way, dirt and sand get inside the joint and can damage the actual inner part of the joint, along with where the balls run on side here, removing the hardening, causing that clicking type of noise. Over an extended period of time, with a damaged axle making that noise and no grease in it, you can end up with an axle failure, which will leave you alongside the road we want to prevent. So if you start to have noise or somebody says you have a split CV boot, you can replace the axle or the CV boot, keep the front axles in good working order, and in doing so, your vehicle will keep getting you from home to work and back and forth. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.